tips on how to organize your middle to large sized women handbags coming right up.
Welcome to Comfort Boost, a place to get your weekly dose of wellness, comfort and beauty tips and tricks and challenges to apply straight in your busy schedules. Having a tidy, neat and organized environment around us is a goal for many. But when it comes to organizing or trying to find things in your purse, it can become mission impossible. So we have put together 3 easy steps to help you with organizing your purse and never again run into an issue of finding a phone or keys in your purse.
So what do? First, take everything out of your bag. Clean also your inside or side sections if you have any. Second, take a closer look at your stuff and take out the things that you do not need. For some items, it is very easy. For example, candy wraps, old receipts, vouchers, used tickets, and so on. These items can go straight to the recycle bin. Then take a look at the rest of the items and ask yourself, how often do I use them? And if the answer is rarely or never, think that would happen if you do not have these items with you. Can you be without them? If yes, then they probably do not need to be in your bag. Put those selected items on the side. Also, if you have some duplicate items, for example 2 hand creams or lipsticks, choose one.
Now you should have only your essentials in front of you. Oh, what's this? Oh, we don't need this. Let's throw it out. And now, divide these items by category. For example, wallet and credit cards, put them in a separate place. Also, valid discount cards and all your important documentation that you take with you, put them aside. Next, let's take a look at the keys. Well, we have only our house keys and car keys, so we put those aside. Next, take a look at the medicine and essential hygiene products. We have quite many, and especially don't forget to take your hand sanitizer with you. Then let's take a look at the essential makeup. So what do we have? Powder, a lipstick, an eyeliner, and of course, hairbrush. And also don't forget to take your flip-flops in case you're used to wearing heels, but sometimes you need to run faster than that. And then we have also glasses, because when working with laptop, we do need to protect our eyes too. And let's not forget our electronics, like tablet, phone, and earphones. You decide on your categories and design them in a way that suits the best for you. Once this is done, you finally reach the fun part, organizing back all your things into your purse. And the key here is really finding the best dedicated place for each of these categories that you have here. And depending on the size, you can either have different smaller or larger pouches, or even you can find a bag organizer which has, as you can see, different pockets here, and it comes also with different colors and different sizes, so it fits almost any bag out there. You can find links to these items in the description box below. Now find the best place for your items to fit. Put smaller items in smaller pockets so they do not drop onto the bottom of the bag. Don't forget to keep your categories together so it will be easier for you to find the things that you're actually looking for. Put all your makeup in one bag or pocket and all electronics in another one. Medicine together in a separate one. So as mentioned before, all categories should be found together. Another tip is to keep in your wallet only discount cards that you use the most, your change and credit cards. Avoid cluttering it with all of your available discount cards, as it makes it messy and difficult to find needed things fast. What you do with the rest of the discount gift cards or vouchers, get a smaller wallet designed for this. It can be with just one pocket, with several pockets, like a mini photo album, whatever works for you. We are using this one, which we find as the most convenient one, with several sections where to place all needed items. This way you will be able to find them easily. Another important trick to remember is to put all your items vertically, so you can see them all at once.
Now you should have your bag organized and ready to go. But how to keep it this way? Actually, it just takes a little bit effort of you, and you have to honor your job. Always take the things and put them back in the dedicated place. And remember, it's not wasted time. It's the time you save when you are searching for needed items when your bag is messy. But remember, also adjusting to this new order will take time. You may feel frustrated at the beginning, but a few days later you'll be so used to this new way, so you will feel like, how did I do this before? Plus, you will never have these shameful moments in the front of your house when you can't find your keys, or at the shop when you need to pay for your items.
Thank you for watching, and we hope that we inspired you to do a makeover for your purse and ease up your daily life. And if you really liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for new lifestyle tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you next week in our next video. Bye!
Bye!